India is currently facing a very scary situation which is getting worse day by day. Hospitals are flooded with patients to such an extent that there is serious scarcity of oxygen. Every day or the other, there is news coming up with the death of the near and dear ones. Never the mankind would have thought that they have to fight for oxygen. Governments are doing what they must do, impose lockdown because it appears as the only possible solution. We need to stay at home and follow all restrictions notified by the government, maintaining all precautions at home. Keep yourself sanitized, wash your hands frequently, and wear double layer mask whenever there is any emergency to go outside. It is the only survival strategy to break the chain. However, lockdown is known to impact our mental health, triggering depression. How to deal with this situation, being locked up at our home? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Healthy Glow. Today's video is about the life that we are all facing in the lockdown period and how to cope ourselves in that situation, and at the same time how to maintain a proper mental health. The global pandemic of COVID-19 has spread its second wave among us. The outbreak has reached its peak in India, infecting more people than ever. Governments have declared lockdown partially and fully in most of the states. Human lives are at stake. Human lives are under threat. So what are the problems that we are facing under this situation? Indefinite isolation, scarce resources, negative thoughts, panic, anxiety, too much of information overload regarding COVID-19, how many people are getting infected, no one talks about how many have recovered, how to survive such negative thoughts and get over with it. 1. Pen down a schedule. Maintaining routines are really helpful when you feel disrupted. Keep yourselves occupied. Writing down things can make it easier to follow them. Be busy. Set your sights on long avoided tasks. Reorganize or create something you have always wanted to do. This is the chance to slow down your pace and focus on yourself. Number 2. Create a workstation. Create a workstation and stay close to your normal routine when you are working from home. Assign yourself a comfortable table and chair just like an office. This will create an environment to work efficiently and productively. Keep this space tidy and avoid cluttering. Remember, decluttering is an approach to fight depression. Number 3. Set a workout routine. Stick to a workout routine according to your age and body type. All you need is a corner of your house where you have optimum space. It can be either your terrace or living room. Just be physically active to do simple indoor exercises that will make you fit. Try gentle yoga. It can be incredibly helpful in calming your senses and keep away mental illness. Number 4. Eat well and drink plenty of fluids. Eat a healthy breakfast, have a wholesome lunch with all kinds of nutrients for a healthy body. Avoid unhealthy snacking. Have a timely dinner. Include fruits, oats, cornflakes and eggs. Being quarantined at home gives a chance to all of us to sit with the family and have meals together. Number 5. Make indoor strolls a habit. Getting outside is a critical part of mental health, but no one has the ability to do so right now. So when the outdoors are not accessible, bring some of the outdoors inside. Open your windows, get the breeze moving through your space, spend some time in your balcony, terrace or rooftop. Take short breaks to connect with nature. Invest your time in house plants. They can be really helpful to make your space feel lively and spacious. Redecorate and rearrange your space with plants. Do not underestimate what a few simple changes can do to make your space feel good. Try including these healthy lifestyle tips in your routine and see the change for good. Do not binge watch television or web series. Stop obsessing about extensive coronavirus coverages. Do not corner yourselves from the rest of your family or get locked up in a room because we are already under lockdown. Do not involve in unhealthy habits like smoking and drinking in such locked up environment. Try not to be a perfectionist because no one can. So this was all about today's video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel The Healthy Glow to see more.